Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got a 250 in stock, ready to rock, rare opportunity. Customer changed up on us. We already have this built, so she is ready to go, available. Hey, give us a call, hurry up. It's going to go quick. Right over $10,000. Take this bad boy home with you. Let's check her out. Like I said, it is our 250 gallon on the off-road package. Got our upgraded wheels and tires, guys. We do a really cool fabricated axle setup on our off-road package. Looks slick. Nothing else out there quite like it. Got the fold down stack. That comes on every tank smoker we build. Fold down stack no matter what size. We'll open her up here. Something else that's standard is top racks, guys. We do, if you got 4 doors on your pit, you're gonna have 4 sliding top racks. So we got 2 top racks on this one. The bottom racks are stationary. They are removable. You can pull them up out of there, clean up underneath them. 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain there. We do a fully insulated firebox on all of our tank smokers, guys. 24-inch pipe in there, wrapped with insulation. The door is insulated, the front of it's insulated. Holds heat extremely well, runs like a dream, guys, I'm telling you. This is in our patina finish, so we got the beautiful finish that Mother Nature put on this tank over the past 30 years, and we put 3 coats of high gloss clear coat on top of it. Really pops, looks slick. This one's a very cool color, guys. It ain't gonna last long. Give us a call, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.